In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to PayPal from a debit card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to finish the transfer with confidence. First, make sure your debit card is linked to a bank account. This matters because PayPal only supports debit cards that draw from an active bank account. It helps prevent failed transfers and ensures your money moves smoothly. Open the PayPal app on your phone. You can also do this on Android or on a computer, but everything I'll show you today is in the mobile app so you can follow along easily. Go ahead and log into your PayPal account using your usual credentials. On the home screen, look to the very top and tap your PayPal balance. This opens a detailed view of your funds and your options for moving money. Under Total PayPal Balance, select Add Money from your bank or card. This is the option that lets you move cash into your PayPal wallet so you can spend or send it right away. Enter the amount you want to add, then tap Next. Take a second to double check the amount and make sure you have enough funds available on your debit card to avoid declines. At the bottom of the screen, tap Link an eligible debit card. This is where you connect the card you're going to use for the transfer. You can add your card in two ways. If you prefer to type, enter the card number, the expiration date, and the security code exactly as they appear on the card. If you want to save time, tap Scan your card and use your camera to capture the card details automatically. Hold the card steady, keep it well lit, and let the app fill in the fields for you. After entering the details, tap Link Card. PayPal will quickly check your card and add it to your wallet. Once the card is linked, confirm the transfer to add the money to your PayPal balance. That's the final step, and your funds should appear right away. A few important notes before we wrap up. Only Visa and MasterCard debit cards are accepted for this flow. The transfer is instant and there are no fees, so the amount you enter is exactly what lands in your PayPal balance. And that's it. You've successfully added money to PayPal from a debit card using the mobile app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.